Make a great choice today with the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.